Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lê Hải Chi. I'm so glad to see all of you coming here today to attend my presentation. Today, I would like to talk about the influence of celebrity worship, and I have a survey with 50 BE students of National Economic University, and because of limited time, I will only supply you some basic information and talk about the influence of this problem on the student. And my presentation were divided into three main parts. The first part is the background of this problem. The second one is the influence of celebrity worship, include positive and negative. And the last one is the conclusion of this problem. I hope that you will enjoy it. Let's start with background of this problem. In the second year, followed by the development of mass media, especially the internet in Vietnam, celebrity has golden chance to bring their image and reputation closely to society. As a result, young people have a favorable condition to approach their celebrity information easier than ever before. And in the fact everyone has their own, at least one idol who influences significantly on their life. And before I go on to my presentation, do you have any questions? If not, okay, let's turn now to the next part of my presentation. In this part, I will talk about the influence of celebrity worship on the daily life and careers of students. Firstly, that includes positive means advantages and negative means disadvantages. Firstly, I want to show you three positive effects, means advantages of celebrity worship. First of all, celebrity worship brings their followers a lot of social relationships, and worshippers often get together and establish fan forum and fan group with thousands of members, and joining a fan club brings worship a good chance to make friends with different people. And secondly, their idol as a perfect model to their worshipper life, and as a result, celebrity become worshippers the spiritual motivation that help them try in both their life and career. And thirdly, admiring some celebrity brings worshippers a good chance to enrich their knowledge. For instance, a Vietnamese teenager worship a famous Korean singer. As a result, he will try to learn other language because of all updates, up-to-date news, and most of interesting reality show in which this singer participated are in Korea. People can learn some valuable lessons from their idol, such as word choice and presentation style of them. Okay, but however, everything has two sides, and celebrity worship is not spiritual exception. Besides the worship aspect, worship also brings their followers some bad or even dangerous effects. I will list three disadvantages of this for you. First of all, wasting a lot of time and money. According to our survey, almost one-third of the students claimed that they look for idols information in their free time. Besides that, 40 information related to their idol on the internet every day. Moreover, the worship also spend a considerable amount of money on original CD, DVD, poster, tickets, and so on. Secondly, worship can ruin the worshiper's daily life in many ways. First of all, worship also causes the follower lack of concentration. Sometimes they will tend easily neglect other important things in their life, such as spend time on their family or studying. And furthermore, it can break up worshippers' social relationship. And the last one, the third as well as the most serious effect, which is typified by uncontrollable behavior and fantasies. The worship frequently think about their favorite celebrity, and someone think that their favorite celebrity would immediately turn to ridicule if they did that. For example, in the 2007, a crazy fan of Andy Lau, Jack Warren proved her father to die to match her idol. In this way, behavior of young caused serious consequences, and the worship became a kind of serious mental problem that requires doctor help. And to sum up this problem, admiring idol in the positive sense can